welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top furniture items that are very budget friendly yet also still very glam. So in my home I have lots of things that I would consider to look quite glamorous, but all on a budget. I like to shop around to find things as cheap as I can. I don't want to spend a fortune, so I'm going to share with you the things that I have bought for my home that I feel gives it that look. So stay tuned. So the first item that I'm going to talk about is these bedside tables here that I absolutely fell in love with. They are from Dunelm Mill and I think they were around £99 each. They came ready-made, so even better. I did not have to do flat pack building, or Peter didn't. So yeah, really happy with these. The detail on them is beautiful. I think they do them in white and possibly black as well. They hold loads. Like I say, the detail on them is beautiful. They are this sort of beautiful French Parisian sort of glam look that I really like. And I also bought a chest of drawers as well, which I will show you. These were around, I think it was £199, and obviously it's just nice that everything matches. Again, they hold loads. There is different variations of this furniture that you can get. So you can get different bedside tables with like less drawers, thinner. They've got quite a good selection of items, but yeah, I thought they were brilliant, really inexpensive, and they make such a difference to this room. Just really glam it up. The next item I'm going to talk to you about is these storage boxes that I use for various things really. I have this one in the bedroom that I use to store all our towels in, and it's got the beautiful studs on the top, and it is crushed velvet. I do really like crushed velvet, not too much, but I do like elements of it around the house. And I also have one in grey that is downstairs that it is temporarily holding our wires and things for the TV until I find something that I want to go under the TV that's now on the wall. They were from B&M, really inexpensive. Again, I think they were £19.99 each, and they are just so versatile. They can be used for so many things, and I think they again add a bit of glam to the room without having to spend a lot of money. Really inexpensive, really great storage. Another item that I love is my fireplace downstairs. So this fireplace was from eBay. It was, I think I paid £240 for it. It is a freestanding fireplace, so it was so easy. Peter built it in next to no time and just put the screen in. So it has the remote which controls the heat settings, and also you don't have to have the heat coming through. You can just have the lights, which is so nice for just a cozy evening when you don't need it to be warm any warmer, especially in the summer months. And yeah, it's freestanding, it is beautiful. They had loads of different kinds, and I just think for £240 a whole fireplace, it just made such a difference to the room, and I am so pleased with it. We absolutely love it. So that was a great eBay find. I was looking at ones in other places very similar to that were at least double the price. And with me, I'm quite impatient and I wanted something that would make a big impact on the room straight away. So this was perfect because it definitely does that. I think it looks great. It's really modern. I love the fact that it's got a little remote with it, and I am, yeah, really pleased with that purchase. I will link all these items below if you fancy checking them out yourself. Another bargain purchase is the stool that I have in the living room that again was from eBay. It is the Chesterfield style in a, it is crushed velvet. It's more velvet, not crushed velvet. It's a velvet Chesterfield footstool that was from eBay, and it was really inexpensive. Again, it was £140. You could get it in different sizes. I can't remember which size I got, but I will link it all below. You could also get different shapes. You could get it in a circle shape, which I did consider, but yeah, it just matches our sofa quite nicely and was a lot cheaper than other ones that I had seen on different furniture websites. And yeah, I'm really pleased with it. It's really light as well, so it's easy to move around. It's really easy to clean, and I think it makes the room look much more glam. Another item that I love in my living room is our sofa. This is like my pride and joy. Absolutely love this sofa. It is perfect for us because it is really big, as there is 5 of us, and we all can snuggle up on that, no problem. This was from Love Sofa. I was really anxious ordering a sofa off a company online without being able, because we hadn't seen it or anything. I was really nervous about it, but once it came, I was so pleased. The guys were really helpful as well. We ended up having to take like the front door and everything off because it nearly didn't go in. That's Peter's measuring skills. But yeah, really pleased with it. I think it was around £900. I will link the exact one below. You could get it with diamante studs in the arms, but we decided not to because I thought that would be a little bit too much, because sometimes, obviously, if I get fed up of the diamante sort of style, I would rather just get the plain ones. So yeah, the Chesterfield arms, it is beautiful. It is such good quality and I absolutely love it. The next item I want to talk to you guys about is my bed. This we have had for quite a long time now. I would say about 5 years we've had this. And this was, again, an eBay buy. I can't remember what we paid for it, but I will link similar ones below. It was probably around £150, I think. It wasn't very expensive. Again, it's got the diamante Chesterfield headboard and Chesterfield base, and we absolutely love it. I would maybe, if I was going to upgrade in the future, get a grey one now. My taste has changed slightly and I think maybe a grey one would go with the room better, but this has been brilliant for us. I have had no problems with it. It's got storage underneath, which is a godsend, so we can fit loads underneath there. And like I say, yeah, it was around £150, I think. So we got this in a king size, and it is this chenille fabric. Again, they did different colours. Obviously there's loads of choices. There's probably even more choices now than when we ordered this one. Like I say, it was about 5 years ago. So I would maybe get next time something with a higher headboard in grey. But for now, this one, I cannot complain. This has served us very well. And then another thing that I have bought for my home that I think has been bargain prices that makes a huge difference is my curtains. All of my curtains are actually from B&M. I think that they are very similar to the Kylie Minogue style that you can buy that are quite expensive. So I have these crushed velvet ones in the bedroom, which I think I paid no more than £40 for these, and they are huge. I actually need to put a different pole up and hang them a bit higher. But I think they're 90 by 90, and like I say, for about £40. They are so thick and good quality and keep out the sunlight perfectly. They are just gorgeous. I also had two very similar pairs downstairs in my living room that I absolutely loved, but once we changed the sofa, they didn't go anymore. So I bought my ones from downstairs, again from B&M. They're okay. They are very nice for the room. They go nicely, but they are quite thin, so they do let in quite a bit of light. But I have the blinds downstairs as well, so it's not too bad. But the ones in my bedroom I would highly recommend. I think B&M has some of the most brilliant bargains for your home to make it look glamorous and much more expensive than it is. And I am super happy with them, and I am happy with the ones downstairs as well. So I would definitely check out B&M for curtains if you are looking for that glam sort of look. So guys, that is everything that I have to share with you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you are not subscribed already, then I would love it if you hit the subscribe button. I post videos twice a week on all things motherhood, beauty, lifestyle and fashion. And I would absolutely love to have you as part of my channel. So I will see you again for my next video. Take care. Bye.